Ah.
She's been waiting since Saturday to get totally cracked out. We're gonna adjust her whole spine. We're gonna work on her elbows, her jaw, you name it, right?
Oof.
Holy, what's in here? I feel something right here.
Oof. Oof.
I can tell she has the best cracks in town. This hip is higher on this side right here. This is causing the posture tilt. Doing good.
Oof.
There you go. I know I'm torturing you. There you go.
Whoa.
That has been opened up in a while. How's this feel?
Oh my god.
Okay. Yep. It's the sit down job. I'm just gonna release this muscle right here. It's like gonna be really tender. But when you sit a lot, this gets so tight, it influences your back. So I'm pressing all the muscles that tense your low back up. Breathe. And right there.
Oh god.
Feel okay?
Ooh, too hard. Ow.
Painful?
A little bit.
You're gonna pull your tooth out. I'm just kidding.
I don't know how painful this is, so I have no idea.
We'll test it. So open your mouth. It's right there.
Aw.
You're doing good. We're gonna do one more stroke right here. There.
Oof. That was rough.
That was rough. And your body will put pain wherever it's not healed all the way. It's just like too tense. Just close it. Open it. A little more. Close it. And I'm not going all the way. I'm just pulsing it down. Open your mouth halfway. I'm gonna hold you together like this.
Ah.
Not that bad.
No, that wasn't bad. Whoa.
Close it. All the way open.
Mm.
I know.
Oh.
It's painful because these
It's
are really
rough.
tense. Open your mouth. I know. Close it. Open it. Wow, it's much more symmetrical. You got this.
Oh, Jesus. Mm.